Hey, do you want to earn money online? There are multiple options today to earn money online. Even if you're doing a job or a business, you can still start a side hustle and start earning money online. You should know it that how to make money, how to generate money online. What are the steps to take? What are the kind of different options are there? So in this video, you're going to learn from me 8 different ways of generating income online. Okay, so stay hooked. I'm just opening my mind map, opening in a step-by-step guidelines to you how you can actually start building up, generating income from the online platform. How you can use technology and attract money to your life. So I hope you can see my mind map now. 8 different ways I'm going to discuss with you how you can start, why you need somebody to guide you for that matter, and what are the next steps to follow. So let's begin now. Step number one, let's focus this. Let me just zoom in my mind map a bit. Yes. So one thing you can start right away after watching this video, you can start helping brands by a survey filing work. Now what essentially a survey filing work is all about, any product which is going to be launched in the market, maybe a mobile phone, a car, a cereal, a snack, or whatever. Companies really want to know the pulse of the market, from people who would be the potential consumers later on once they launch the product. So what they do, they have a process called survey filing. So they award contract to various companies to conduct surveys. You can be a panelist. You can become a panelist with certain platforms who are conducting regular survey with big brands like Kellogg's and Amazon, so many other brands. And some brands give you survey without naming them also. So let's talk about that, whether you will receive survey opportunities on your email. Once you start registering here, you will start getting survey opportunities. You need to fill one survey. Now one survey could take around 10 to 20 minutes of your time, and some companies pay you certain reward points, so you can accumulate certain reward points and exchange it for Amazon vouchers, Flipkart vouchers, or you can get a payment on your PayPal account, and so on and so forth, or maybe Paytm account. Some of the companies directly pay you the money in terms of $1 per survey, and it could be anything. So what you need to do, how to start this business is you go to my blog site rachitsethi.com, and or you can just simply click on this link. I'll put this link on the description also, rachitsethi.co/work from home. Now this is a blog post of mine which talks about this entire business model, and here I've given you the options where all you can actually join as a panelist and start earning money by the way of filing surveys. So in case you're receiving 5 surveys a day, so probably you're required to spend maybe 1 hour in a day on completing these 5 surveys, and of course you'll accumulate points or accumulate whatever is the payment terms and conditions with the particular company you're signing off. Now, one thing what I would like to make it very clear to you is, be honest when you're filing surveys. It's not just about your wish list. It's not about what you really feel about a brand or a product, what they're asking for. Help them genuinely, and you will have more and more surveys coming in, because every answer what you give today gets recorded and it gets matched from your future responses also. So I don't want you to get into a situation where you start doing survey filing work, but later on just fail and not able to complete anything. Don't do that. Second way you can start generating money online is you can start e-commerce reselling. Now, what e-commerce reselling is all about, you can go to this particular link, rachitsethi.co/shop101. Now, this particular app, it's an app-based platform. Here, you don't have to store any product, you don't have to buy any product, you don't have to even sell anything directly. The products are there on this particular app. A lot of products are there on this app, a lot of sellers are there on this app. You pick up what resonates with you. Suppose you have an affinity towards kids games, or you have you like to kind of promote kurtas or maybe dupattas. maybe t-shirts, maybe educational games, maybe any software, whatever you want to like to promote. Just find such products from this particular app, create your own virtual store, and what in return what you will get for every product you choose to just pull it to your store. You will learn everything is there on the app. Just giving an idea. Pull it to your store so that it gets displayed on your account also. Bring people by using your own link. Bring people to this particular storefront which you have created under your name. When people like the product, they will buy the product, and with every sale you earn a commission. So you have to fix on that what is the commission you want on every order. Like you want 10% commissions on every sale you make, you want 5%, whatever is the amount you choose on, and accordingly the customer will be billed and you will be paid your commissions. Here you don't need any investment to make, you just need to have your social connections and you can start. In the first way also, you don't need any investment, you just need your computer, laptop, and internet connectivity. Second thing also, yes, these are two things which you can start without even investing anything and start earning money from the online platforms. Let's come to number 3. The third way which I recommend you to start generating money online is start e-commerce selling. I'm selling to e-commerce platforms since 2016, and I think many of you know that I teach also how to start your e-commerce business. So e-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart, you got Paytm, Snapdeal, so many platforms are there. So what you can do, you can refer to this blog post of mine, 6 steps Amazon, which will take you to how to start your Amazon journey, step by step process. The benefit of doing an e-commerce business is you need to invest. Yes, the investment will come here. You need to invest on a product. So you need to invest in a product, and you can make thousands and millions of copies of the same product and start selling by multiple channels, multiple ways. This e-commerce selling business works 24/7 on a passive income mode. The reason is once you set up all the things, once you have set up everything related to this business, you've set up your storefront, your product is there, listing is there, strategies are in place, automation is happening. You don't have to chase anything 24/7. The business was going to work for you on auto mode, on a passive mode. While you sleep, it still will be generating money for you. So that's the business to go. It's a long-term business for you. And even everything is long term. Once you are signed up for the survey, you're there. Once you start reselling, you're there. But again, e-commerce selling, I always say it's far better way than just getting small amounts into your life. But yes, that's another way you can start your own online business. Let's come to fourth way of generating income online. Fourth way of generating income online, you can learn stock trading. Now, I also do stock trading, but I don't teach stock trading. I'm not a stock trader expert. I'm not at all an expert, but yes, I have invested in learning the stock market, and I do it in my personal free time. I do it, as I save money for that. I just invest it, and the benefit of investing into stock market is like if you invest in stock, the prices of course will take a leap, and in a year you may generate a profit, you may generate loss also. So you need to learn the trading part of it, and then if you're generating profit to it, retain the stocks, and every year the company is going to give you dividends. So in case you have 1 lakh shares with you and the company is giving you like 3 rupees per dividend, so that means 3 lakh rupees is coming to your account every single year without even working for. And in case you have got certain portfolio with you, so you can think of. So but I'm not a trading expert, I'm not a stock market expert. In case you're watching it and you're a stock market expert, you'll say what I'm talking about. But yes, this is a learnable skill. You can take help from any mentor and start learning how to trade in stocks, and this is really going to help you with generating money online. What I do in this particular, how I can basically help you in this, I use a specific platforms to trade. So what you can do, you can just go to this link. It will take you to a form submission page where you can share your details, and somebody from a my recommended trading platform would get back to you, would connect with you, and give you more help onto this business, and probably will open a demat account for you also. So you can use that link. I'll put this link in the description box also. Let's come to the fifth way of generating income online. You can start a YouTube channel. YouTube channel, you can start for your own niche. You can start for education. You can start for maybe producing small movies, cartoon series, entertainment, infotainment, edutainment, whatever you belong, what's your niche is all about, grammar teaching, mathematics teaching, whatever it is. You can open a YouTube channel. You can start building up the base, and once you do that, once you reach to a, YouTube has a specific threshold. Once that threshold is matched, you're already there, you will start generating money from YouTube. On every view of your video, you're going to get money, because with every view there are certain ads which are going to play on YouTube. With every ad, you're going to earn revenue. So you need to build this up, and this is also going to give you a lot of money online. Let's come to the next way of generating income online. You can start your online coaching business. Online coaching business means you can start teaching online, or you can go on live Facebook, live YouTube. You can conduct webinars for teaching, and so many things you can do. You can reach to more and more and more people through a live coaching mechanism. That's also, you can earn money. You can charge a fees and teach people, as they like, as you like. You can have 1 lakh people, getting studying by you, getting knowledge by you at one point in time. Because when you are online, you just have to stream, and rest everybody can just log into that stream and watch you unlimited. Another way of generating income online is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is helping people to find the right product, and in return you get a certain commission for that matter. It's a learnable skill, so that's also one of the finest way, one of the best business on internet is affiliate marketing. So you can watch this video. The video link is there. I'll put the description also. You can watch this link. In this link, I'll teach you that what is the right way of doing affiliate marketing. Another way which I would recommend you to generate income for yourself is by building courses, getting into e-learning mode. E-learning mode is for everybody who can share his knowledge. Like, I have my courses. The students to me, my inner circle is learning from the courses. Similarly, if you are if you're entering into my inner circle, I'll offer you my courses. My courses are pre-recorded. I sell my courses through the way of webinars, and I earn income. That's also one of my income streams. So you can build the courses and you can sell. You want to know more about the courses, how you can monetize, where you can host your courses and all that stuff, you can simply click on this link and learn all about from this blog, and maybe open a free school where you will start building your courses and selling it to many people. The beauty is, courses are recorded once and you can sell it multiple times to many people. Okay, now if you want this mind map, what I shared with you, in case you want the mind map, just stay back. I'll tell you how to download this mind map. Okay, I'll give you that how to download the mind map. Now, how to start this particular thing? How to start? If I talk about all these things, this is just read, start, e-commerce selling. If you want to learn, come to my webinar. Trading stocks, I don't teach, but you can get help. You can just click on the link, fill out the form, and somebody will connect back to you. YouTube channel, you need a good camera, you need a good mic, and you need to speak and record. So you need editing software also. So all the recommendations to start a YouTube channel, I'll put in the description below. So I'll just mention here. Recommendations would be: you need a camera, you need a mic, you need a software to edit your this thing, you need a thumbnail generator, and one more thing, you require the SEO tags with you. That's it. So you get all these things. Let me just correct the spelling here. It's thumbnail generator. Yeah. All these things put together will help you to start your YouTube channel. Online coaching you can do by the way of webinars. Like, I'm recording this tool. I have a software called Zoom. You can use Demio. I'll put both the links here. So you can go to rajatsethi.co/demo. That's one tool which you can start, or maybe you can use another tool, whatever you like, whatever you're comfortable in. I'm comfortable both, and I use both. I have a inner circle call on Zoom and an outer circle call. My community call is on Teams. So I use both. I'm comfortable with both the platforms work fine. You choose your own call, just take your own call, take a small demo trial, and start. Because in my inner circle, I teach both. So I share how both to be used and for what purposes they both to be used. But in case you're starting up and just want to jump in, start with anyone you like. Okay. Now, another question which it comes in my mind, comes into mind: why you need a mentor? A lot of people say this: why you need a mentor when you have the knowledge? So many things are there when you open, and YouTube is there. So many things are there. Why you need a mentor? See, the point is, mentor is someone who can guide you, who can hold your hand and show you the path of the light. It's I think it's one of the fastest way to achieve your dream, to achieve your goal. If you follow what has been done earlier, and the best part is that you need not to create anything once again. You don't have to create the things again and again. So you can find a mentor to compress decades of knowledge into a few years. That's what the benefit you will get. Plus, you don't have to reinvent the whole wheel. There's no point you will start reinventing that wheel. Don't do that. Never ever do that. Never ever reinvent your wheel. Okay. Now, what are the next steps to follow? Next steps to follow is go to askrajat.com, type webinar. You will have all my webinar formats coming into you, and you can choose in case you want to learn how to coach digitally, how to study e-commerce, how to go into affiliate marketing business. Accordingly, register yourself for my upcoming webinar. I'll meet you live there. I'll talk about this entire business model, and in case you resonate with the things, you are most welcome to join my inner circle. Now, if you want this mind map, what I'm sharing with you on the screen, go back to askrajat.com again and type this keyword: earn money online. Okay. So type this keyword as earn money online. Let me just give this small one. Yeah. So type this word: earn money online. askrajat.com is my Facebook Messenger redirect. So the moment you type in askrajat.com, you will reach my Facebook Messenger. Just type earn money online, and this PDF, this mind map as a PDF will be available to you for a download. So I hope you got a lot of knowledge from this video. I'm sure. Please leave your comments below, and leave your comments below. Stay connected. Anything you would like me to take up for my next video, please let me know. And I'm just a message away. Go to askrajat.com, you will reach to my Facebook Messenger. Drop in your message, drop in whatever is there in your mind, any confusions, anything, any achievement you did, anything you learned from me. Please type in the comment box, or maybe go to Facebook Messenger and leave a message, and I'll be replying back to you personally. Okay, so that's all from me in this video. Don't forget to download a copy of this mind map, and in case you want to join me for the next webinar, type webinar, go to askrajat.com and type webinar. Until next time, see you. Bye bye. Take care.